If I gave you 10 years, a decent job, and no bad luck, you still might never become rich. Not because you're lazy. Not because you're unlucky. But because you're doing the exact things that quietly keep people broke. Right now, millions wake up tired, rush to work, and repeat the same routine every day. They work hard. They try their best. Yet money always feels tight. The truth is uncomfortable, but simple. Most people are trapped in a system where time is traded for money. And time always runs out. When you work only for a paycheck, your income has a ceiling. You can only work so many hours. No matter how hard you try, there's a limit. That's why so many feel stuck. Bills rise. Prices increase. But income stays the same. Wealth doesn't come from hours worked. It comes from creating value that keeps paying you even when you stop working. Another silent mistake people make is spending money to look rich instead of becoming rich. The first paycheck arrives and suddenly there's a new phone, a nicer car, better clothes. It feels good in the moment, but those things don't build freedom. They build pressure. Every dollar spent on image is a dollar not working for your future. Wealthy people understand this early. They delay pleasure so they can buy freedom later. Relying on a single income is one of the riskiest positions in life. One job, one paycheck, one source of survival. Jobs change. Companies cut costs. Inflation never waits. People who build wealth always look for additional streams. Side hustles. Digital income. Investments. Even one extra stream can change everything over time. Most people were never taught how money works. School taught us how to follow rules, not how to grow income. Fear stops more people than failure ever will. Fear of losing, fear of trying, fear of being wrong. But fear is not a stop sign. It's a signal. Wealthy people don't avoid fear. They manage it. They start small. They test. They learned. Another lie people believe is that they must do everything alone. Success is not a solo journey. Behind every successful person is a system, a team, or a mentor. Delegation creates growth. Isolation creates limits. Most people think too short-term. They want fast money, instant results. But real wealth is built slowly. Small actions, repeated daily, over years. Compounding doesn't look exciting at first, but it's powerful. The difference between rich and broke is rarely intelligence. It's behavior. The rich plan. They invest first. They control spending. They think ahead. Broke habits feel good today. Wealth habits create freedom tomorrow. Most people wait for luck, for raises, for permission. But wealth rewards action, not excuses. If you want a different future, you must change the patterns. Stop trading only time for money. Stop buying image over freedom. Build income streams. Learn how money works. Think long term. Wealth is not a secret. It's a result of choices made daily. The best time to change those choices was years ago. The second best time is right now. If this made you think differently, subscribe for more real money content. Like the video and comment, future, if you're ready to change yours. Most people don't fail because they lack opportunity. They fail because they repeat the same habits every day and expect a different result. They wake up, check their phone, rush through life, and never stop to question the system they're stuck in. Years pass, and suddenly they wonder where the time went. The reality is, wealth requires awareness. You have to notice where your money goes, how your time is spent, and which decisions are moving you forward or holding you back. Small leaks destroy big dreams. A little unnecessary spending. A little procrastination. A little fear. Over time, those small things add up to a life of stress and regret. People who build wealth become intentional. They plan their days instead of reacting to them. They decide where their money goes before it disappears. They understand that discipline is not punishment, it's protection. Protection from a future they don't want to live. Another powerful shift happens when you stop thinking like a consumer and start thinking like a creator. Consumers spend money. Creators build assets. A consumer asks, "What can I buy next?" A creator asks, "What can I build that creates value?" This mindset alone separates those who struggle from those who grow. Technology has changed the rules forever. Today, opportunity is everywhere. Online businesses, digital products, automation, AI tools, remote income. The barrier to entry has never been lower. What stops people is not access. It's belief. Many people don't believe they are capable, so they never start. Starting small is still starting. You don't need perfection. You need momentum. One action today is better than 10 plans tomorrow. The people who win are not the smartest. They are the most consistent. Wealth also requires patience in a world addicted to speed. Social media shows overnight success, but hides the years of effort behind it. Comparing your beginning to someone else's middle will only slow you down. Everyone's timeline is different. Focus on progress, not perfection. Another key difference is responsibility. Wealthy people take responsibility for their outcomes. They don't blame the economy, their boss, or their past. They focus on what they can control. Skills can be learned. Income can be increased. Mistakes can be corrected. Once you accept full responsibility, your power increases. You stop waiting. You start acting. You stop hoping. You start building. Financial freedom is not about luxury. It's about choice. The choice to say no. The choice to rest. The choice to work on what matters. The choice to design your life instead of surviving it. Every dollar you save, invest, or use wisely is a vote for your future. Every habit you build is shaping the life you will live 5 or 10 years from now. You don't need to change everything overnight. Just change one decision today. Learn one new skill. Save one extra dollar. Take one step forward. Momentum will do the rest. Remember this. The life you want is not far away. It's built slowly, quietly, and intentionally. And the moment you decide to take control, everything begins to shift. Your future is not decided by luck. It's decided by the choices you repeat every single day.